IT6930. Lisa, please introduce about yourself.
Okay. My name is Lisa Alvarez. I am 26 years old. I don't I don't have no. Okay. My name is Lisa Alvarez. I am 26 years old. I am single. Don't have kids yet and husband. I am I studied a Bachelor of Science and Business Administration, major in Human Resources Management, but I didn't finish my course due to financial problem. And I am a hardworking and a loving person. My family is in the province and they are a farm.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me about your helper experience in Philippines?
Okay. For my previous employer, my daily life living with them is my main responsibilities is to prepare and cook food for them, cleaning the house, gardening, washing clothes, and then making a salad. It's because of it's their one of their favorite food to eat and marketing. That's it.
So in Philippines, you have worked with two employers before, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
The first one, when did you start and how long you worked with them for?
Okay. For my first employer, I started February 4th, 2020 until February 4th, 2022, and that's almost 2 years. And for my second employer, I started working with them October 23, 2023 until October 23, 2025, and that's almost 2 years also.
Mm. Okay, about the first one, how many people you took care?
So for the first one, I took 4 people, wherein the couple and the one kid and the newborn baby.
Mm.
And the second employer is two, the two old
Two
the elders.
adults. I mean, two
Yes,
elders, two
two elders.
adults and one elderly, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. How did you take care of the baby in your first job?
Okay, so for my first employer, wherein I took care of a baby and a 2 years old kid, yeah, 2 years old kid. So in the morning, I always check the baby if the baby having a poop, so that if there is a poop, change change the diaper, and then after that give a milk to feed, and then give vitamins, of course. And after that, take I take a bath of the baby, and of course, after I take a bath of the baby, I I next take a bath of the 2 years old kid.
Mm.
And
So how do you play with the 2 years old kid?
actually, ma'am, I play with the 2 years old with by hide and seek. That's because of our favorite hide and seek, and sometimes we play what do you call this one, by coloring books like that, ma'am.
Mm.
That's our bonding together.
Okay. So you told me before you were a working student. Well, right, you were a
Yes,
working
yes,
student at that time. Okay. So after 2 years, you did not continue to work for them.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then but take you take rest for how long?
1 year.
Yeah, more than 1 year. So what did you do during the 1 year?
In that 1 year, of not being a house helper.
Mm.
I am in our province wherein I put and started up my business, and sometimes I went in the what do you call this one, the like in the farm to plant vegetables like that.
To what? Sorry?
In the 1 year of not in 1 year of not being a helper, I went home in our province wherein I put up my business, wherein until now my sister managed it. And sometimes in our province, I went in the farm to help my mother planting fruits and vegetables. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. So, then the second job, you said you took care two adults and one elderly.
Yes.
So what your main duties there?
So my main duties when I took care of two elders is that I help them guide every time they took a bath. Of course, they don't have a lack of strength to take a bath like that, and give them a proper vitamins if needed. And sometimes I went my two elders outside the house just to hang out and to breathe a fresh air. Like,
Both sir and mom, they are teacher. They're working, right?
yes, mom.
So you only need to take care the elder mainly.
Yes, yes, mom.
Mm, okay. So and why you only stay with them for 2 years?
Yes, mom.
Why you only
Sorry.
stay with them for 2 years?
It's because that time my mother uh, needs me in the province, and I also tell my employer that my mother urgently need me. It's because of her serious illness like that.
Your
And
mother, your mother feels okay now,
yes, she is okay now.
so you don't need to stay at the province and take care of her.
Yes, mom.
What about if after you come to work in Hong Kong and she feels sick again? Do you need to go home?
It depends on the situation, mom.
Mm,
But I think I always pray, uh, of course, I always pray that uh, that uh, every time I left her, I always pray that she has always a good health like that,
mm,
so that I won't be worried.
okay. So, can you describe a bit yourself? What kind of a person you think you are?
Me, ma'am. So actually, ma'am, since I grew up with my grandma and my grandfather, they trained me to to they trained me on how to cook and how to do household chores at the very young age, so that if ever that they got passed away, actually they already got passed away, my grandma and my grandfather, so that I know they know to myself that I know how to live by myself like that.
Mm. So you
They
are
actually
okay, okay. So you are very independent.
yes, that's
Mm.
what I want to.
What else you think you are? What kind of person?
Actually, ma'am, I asked what my friends and the people I accompany like that, ma'am. They always tell me, keep on telling me that I am uh a caring person, and a loving person, and
Mm-hmm.
of course, hardworking person.
Mm. Okay. How many years you plan to work in Hong Kong?
Um, Maybe, mom, if my employer will give me a chance to work for them for more than 3 years or more, I will stay with them as long as they treat me uh better, like that.
Mm.
Same with them. I will treat them better, and I will treat them as a my family, like that.
Okay. So from what age of kids you can take care from?
From what age? Actually, ma'am, I want at least 5 months old to up to 1 year old, like that one.
5 months to up to 1 year old only? You mean the
Yes,
young kids you can take care also, right?
young kids. Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, do you have any tattoos?
Actually, ma'am, I don't have tattoos on my body
Okay.
because I don't want to like to on my body like that.
Okay.
I
Okay.
want any clean like that.
Mm. Okay. How far is your place to Manila? You live in Marikina City?
Yes, Marikina City. Actually, ma'am, it takes 31 minutes from my house here up to here in agency.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Can you pass a message to the future employer?
Um, hi ma'am and sir. Good afternoon. My name is Lisa. I am 26 years old, and I am a loving and hardworking person. If I am lucky to select as your helper, I promise and I guarantee that I will do my best. And of course, I always priority your healthy body by making you always, if you want, like blending fruits and vegetables, and of course that's what I want to for us to be healthy, and that's it. That's what I keep on promising. And I promise that I will do my best every day. That's it.
OK。IT 6930，我俾個 rating 佢係 A 嘅。咁啊，Lisa 咧26歲，咁佢係未婚嘅。咁佢喺菲律賓咧就做咗4年嘅家用啦，分別係兩個僱主啦。咁第一個僱主咧就係需要照顧一個newborn 啦，同埋一個2歲嘅小朋友。咁就係啦，咁啊做咗2年，咁佢嗰陣時就係讀緊書嘅嗰陣時佢係啦。咁之後咧佢就停咗1年，咁嗰1年咧佢就自己就開咗一個細個嗰啲士多啦，咁啊賣啲嘢。咁而家咧就而家就俾咗佢個 sister 打理，咁佢就跟住就再出咗去做嘢，就照顧一個3人家庭，咁一對 couple 同埋一個老人家嘅，咁佢主要都係照顧嗰個長者嘅，咁啊同埋做家務啊咁樣啦。咁而家就希望即係想過嚟香港打工就揾多啲錢啦。咁佢個人咧就都幾，雖然佢26歲咧，但係覺得佢都幾成熟嘅。咁因為佢話自細咧就佢個祖父母咧就教佢即係點樣清潔家，即係做家務啊，點樣清潔啊。咁所以佢都幾獨立嘅佢。咁我覺得佢個人都幾乖幾順。咁佢可以照顧 BB 嘅，因為佢之前就照顧過 BB 啦，咁小朋友都 OK。咁我就係啦，咁我覺得佢應該都係可造之材嚟嘅，係啦。咁我俾個 rating 佢係 A 嘅。